An 18-year-old was shot and killed in Enfield, St. Mary on Saturday, a week after another man was killed in the community. Reports indicate that the teen Sheldon J. Williams of a Juno Penn address was walking along the roadway in Enfield about 9:30 p.m. on Saturday night when, upon reaching a lane in the community, a group of armed men reportedly approached him and opened fire. Reports are that Williams ran in a nearby premises where he collapsed. Residents, upon hearing the gunshots, called the police. When the police arrived, Williams was found suffering from gunshot wounds all over his body. He was taken to another Bay hospital where he was pronounced dead. A motive for his killing is not known. A farmer was killed and another man injured in a gun attack at a pre-birthday party at Truro district in Frome, Westmoreland on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as 33-year-old Leon Anglin, otherwise called Rusty, from the community. Reports from the police are that about 9:30 p.m. Anglin was hosting his pre-birthday celebration at a sports bar when a motorcycle drove up with two men aboard. The pillion disembarked the motorcycle and entered the venue where he opened gunfire before escaping on the bike in the direction of Frome. When the shooting subsided, Anglin was discovered lying on his back in a pool of blood with gunshot wounds to the head, while a male patron who is also a farmer was found suffering from gunshot wounds to the left shoulder. The injured man was assisted by a citizen to the hospital where he was admitted in a stable condition. Meanwhile, Anglin was later transported to Savannah Memorial Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Observer Online understands that Anglin would have marked his 34th birthday on Tuesday, May 7. A Kingston man was charged with murder in relation to the March 23rd killing of 27-year-old Camroy Forbes of North Avenue, Greenwich Farm, Kingston 13. Charge is 30-year-old Nico Garden of Betty Avenue, Rosetown. Reports are that about 9:35 a.m. the police, acting on information, found Forbes' body lying on its back wrapped in a sheet. Gordon was apprehended by the police and taken into custody on Thursday, May 2. A search warrant was executed on his premises where one Taurus 9mm pistol was reportedly found in an abandoned building located at the back of the house. He was subsequently interviewed and charged based on eyewitness statement that implicated him. In addition to murder, Gordon was also charged with possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and use of a firearm to commit a felony. His court date is being finalized.